Hi, everyone. Want to speak English confidently with your friends and coworkers? Today, we're going to practice easy and useful small talk conversations you can use every day. Let's get started and have fun learning.
Good morning, Ben.
Morning, Anna. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. A bit sleepy, though. It was hard to wake up this morning.
I know what you mean. It's so cold today. I didn't want to get out of bed.
Yes, it feels like winter already. I had to wear 2 jackets.
I wore my big coat too, and I still felt cold. Did you take the bus?
No, I walked. It was a bit windy, but nice. I enjoy the fresh air in the morning.
That's great. I always take the bus. It's crowded, but warm inside.
Maybe we can walk together someday. It's a nice way to start the day.
That would be nice. I need to start walking more. It helps with energy and health.
Exactly. Walking clears my mind before work.
Let's plan to walk next Monday if the weather is good.
Deal! But first, let's get some coffee before we start work.
Great idea. Coffee first, work later.
Hi, Lisa. Isn't it hot today?
Hi, Jake. Yes, it's very hot. I feel like I'm melting.
I know. I already drank 2 bottles of water.
Same here. The sun is so strong. I wish I brought my hat.
And sunglasses, too. I forgot mine at home.
I wore sunscreen, but I still feel the heat on my face.
I think it will stay hot all week. Did you see the weather forecast?
Yes, I checked this morning. It says 35 degrees tomorrow.
Wow, that's too hot. I hope we can stay inside the office.
Me too, but if we have to go out, we should stay in the shade.
Good idea. And drink lots of water. I always keep a bottle with me.
Same here. I think we should put a fan at every desk.
I support that idea 100%.
Hey, Tom, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Hi, Maria. Yes, I'm going to visit my grandparents.
That's lovely. Where do they live?
They live in the countryside, about 2 hours away from the city. It's very quiet and green there.
That sounds peaceful. I love nature. Are you going alone?
No, my sister is coming too. We usually go together once a month.
That's a nice habit. Do you stay overnight?
Yes, we spend the night and return on Sunday evening.
Do you help your grandparents with anything?
Yes, we help with gardening and bring them some groceries.
That's so kind. I hope you have good weather.
Thank you. What about you?
I'll stay home and clean my apartment. It's very messy now.
Cleaning is not fun, but it feels good after.
Yes, and maybe I'll watch a movie or two.
That sounds relaxing. Enjoy your weekend.
You too, Tom.
Hi, David. Taking a coffee break?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I need some energy. This morning has been so busy.
Same here.
I didn't sleep well last night. I was tossing and turning.
Oh no. Was something bothering you?
No, just couldn't fall asleep. Maybe I had too much tea.
That happens to me sometimes too. I drink coffee too late in the day.
I should stop drinking tea after dinner.
Me too. Are you having your usual coffee?
Yes, 1 sugar, no milk. What about you?
I like it with milk. And sometimes a cookie too.
That sounds nice. I might get one too.
You should. It makes the break better.
Let's enjoy our coffee before we head back.
Agreed. A few minutes of peace before the next meeting.
Hi, Ryan. What are you having for lunch?
Hi, Sophie. I brought some fried rice from home. My mom made it.
Yum, that smells good. It must be nice to have homemade food.
It is. I try to cook sometimes, but it's not the same.
I get that. I usually buy lunch from the shop downstairs.
They have good sandwiches. Do you always eat sandwiches?
Not always. Sometimes I get noodles or salad.
That's healthy. Do you cook on weekends?
Not much. I prefer ordering food or going out.
I enjoy cooking. It helps me relax.
That's cool. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I like making curry. It's spicy, but tasty.
Maybe you can share the recipe sometime.
Sure, I'd love to. We can even cook together.
That would be fun.
Hi, Amy. What do you do after work?
Hi, Leo. I usually read books or watch movies. It helps me relax.
That's nice. What kind of books do you like?
Mostly mystery and romance. I like stories that make me think or feel happy.
That sounds interesting. I enjoy reading too, but I also play guitar.
Wow, that's cool. Are you in a band?
No, just for fun. I play at home or sometimes with friends.
That's still great. I've always wanted to learn an instrument.
You should. It's never too late to start.
Maybe I will. Do you practice often?
A few times a week. I also like painting in my free time.
You're very creative, Leo.
Thank you. And reading is creative too. You use your imagination.
That's true. Maybe you can play a song for me sometime.
I'd be happy to. Just let me know when.
Good morning, David. How was your weekend?
Good morning, Nancy. It was nice. I went hiking with some friends.
That sounds exciting. Where did you go?
We went to Pine Hill. It's not too far, but has great views.
I've heard of that place. Did you take photos?
Yes, lots. The weather was perfect, sunny but not too hot.
That's lucky. I stayed home and did laundry.
Well, clean clothes are important too. Did you watch anything fun?
I watched a comedy show. It made me laugh a lot.
That's good. We all need to laugh sometimes.
True. Maybe I'll go hiking next weekend.
You should. Let me know if you want to join our group.
Thanks. I might do that.
Hi, Jack. Can you believe it's already Friday?
I know. The week went by so fast.
Do you have any weekend plans?
Yes, I'm going to a friend's birthday party on Saturday night.
That sounds fun. Will there be cake?
Of course, and music and dancing too.
I hope you have a great time.
Thanks. What about you? Doing anything special?
Not really. I'll stay home, clean a bit, and watch some TV.
Sometimes a quiet weekend is the best kind.
Exactly. I need to rest and recharge.
That's smart. Enjoy your relaxing weekend.
And you enjoy the party, Jack.
Ugh, it's raining again today.
Yes, I had to bring my umbrella. Did you get wet?
A little. My shoes are soaked.
Oh no! I wore boots just in case.
Smart move. I forgot to check the weather this morning.
I always check before I leave home. The rain makes traffic worse, too.
Tell me about it. The bus was 20 minutes late.
That's the worst. But I do like listening to rain when I'm inside.
Yeah, it's relaxing. As long as I'm not walking in it.
True. Let's hope it stops by lunchtime.
Fingers crossed. I don't want another wet walk home.
Hi, Maria. I like your new hairstyle.
Thank you, Tom. I just got it cut yesterday.
It looks really nice. It suits you well.
That's so kind of you to say. I was nervous about it.
No need to be. You look great. Change is good sometimes.
I agree. It feels fresh, like a new start.
That's how I felt when I got new glasses.
I noticed. They look good on you, too.
Thanks, Maria. Compliments are always nice.
Yes, they make people feel good.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I just joined the team today.
Hi, Sarah. Welcome. I'm Paul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Paul. This place seems busy.
It is sometimes, but everyone is friendly. You'll get used to it.
That's good to hear. I was a little nervous this morning.
That's normal. I felt the same on my first day.
Did it take long to adjust?
Not really. I just asked questions when I needed help.
That's a good idea. I'll do the same.
If you need anything, don't hesitate to ask me.
Thank you. That's really helpful. Do you have any pets, Jack?
Yes, I have a cat named Snowy.
Aw, cute. What color is she?
She's white, like snow. That's why we named her Snowy.
I love cats. They're so calm and soft.
Yes, and they love to nap all day.
I have a dog. His name is Rocky.
Nice. What kind of dog?
He's a golden retriever, very friendly and playful.
Dogs need a lot of attention, right?
Yes, but I enjoy taking care of him. He keeps me active.
Pets really make life better.
Totally agree.
Hey, Amy, do you want to grab a drink after work?
Sure, that sounds nice. Where do you want to go?
There's a new cafe nearby. I heard it's cozy and quiet.
Great. I love cafes like that. What time?
Let's go around 6 p.m. after we finish everything.
Works for me. Do they have snacks too?
Yes, they serve coffee, tea, and pastries.
Yum! I might try their chocolate cake.
I heard it's really good.
Perfect. It'll be a nice way to relax after work.
I agree. See you there.
Are you taking any time off this month?
Yes, I'm going on a short trip next week.
That's exciting. Where are you going?
To the mountains with my family. We'll stay in a small cabin.
That sounds peaceful. How long will you stay?
Just 3 days. I want to relax and enjoy nature.
I hope the weather is nice.
Me too. I'll take some pictures and show you when I return.
Please do. I love mountain views.
And maybe next time you can come too.
I'd love that.
Do you like spicy food, Anna?
A little. Not too spicy. I can't handle too much heat.
I love it. The spicier, the better.
Wow, you must have a strong stomach.
Maybe. I grew up eating spicy food.
What's your favorite spicy dish?
Spicy noodles with chili sauce. So good.
I prefer noodles with vegetables and a light sauce.
That's healthy. Do you cook at home?
Yes, I try to cook dinner every night. It saves money too.
That's smart. Maybe one day we can have a cooking day.
That would be fun. We can cook and share food.
If you enjoyed practicing English with us today, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy English conversations every week. And tell us in the comments, what small talk topic do you want to practice next? Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!